In this video, I will show you how to create and post Snapchat stories. Now, from the Snapchat camera, you can upload a photo or a video from a device and then go on to post it as a story. And if you want to use your already posted snaps, you can also choose them from this section. You can also create story collections to organize your stories. In addition, you can use the camera to capture a photo or a video and go on to post it as a story. And you can always use the rear or front camera and turn the flashlight on or off. And before posting your story, you can add things like text, music, stickers, links, and lenses. You can also make drawings and record a sound and perform other tasks. And down here, you can first save your story to your device and to your Snapchat memories. And on this next screen, you can post your story to your private story or a public story. And as you can see, you can also share your story to other platforms. And after posting your story, you can always view it on your profile, share it as a private or a shared story, make some story settings, and perform other tasks. You can also go to your public profile and view your public story. And if you open your story, you can see who viewed it and see other things like comments and the number of times it has been shared. You can also save it or send it as a snap or even delete it or wait for it to disappear after 24 hours. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Snapchat and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.